Good morning. How are y'all boys doing? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. What's good? What's going on? Guys, we have a little bit of a tricky day today when it comes to price action. We have a little bit of a tricky day. Okay, so number one, gold. Gold is looking very, very tricky. Gold is ranging right now, like bad. Gold is ranging super bad. Fix this, edit, on. Good morning, good morning. Gold is looking pretty bad today. Technically on the 1 hour we have liquidity sweep, break of structure, 1 hour inversion here. Maybe we can get a sweep down here and then press continue higher. Ooh, NASDAQ looks a little cleaner. NASDAQ, it's clear we had accumulation manipulation during London. It distributed to the upside. I want New York to retrace a little bit down to at least this 50% mark. Let me draw it out. 50% is right there. Boom, 50% is right there. So I want to see a retracement to continue higher. This is a 15-minute FVG here. Yeah, 50% of this will probably be true day open. Boom, perfection. Right at true day open. This is on ES. Where does the market want to go? High. High. That's my analysis for each one. I want NASDAQ to retrace a little bit lower before giving us a long setup. And I want gold to retrace a little bit lower as well. But the thing about gold is that you see this high right here? That's why gold's a little tricky today. You see this high right here? If we go to XAU, XAU completely swept out that high. XAU completely took it and displaced to the downside. So I don't know if XAU is going to consider this as a sweep or not. But on MGC and GC, we never took it out. So till then, I'm going to consider us bullish on gold still. But definitely need to be careful. Maybe we can get a Timmy out of this 15-minute FEG. Is it bearish though? That's the thing. On gold, it looks very accumulative. This doesn't look bearish or bullish. This just looks like a range, don't it? Look, on the 15-minute time frame, what is this? This is just one giant range. Can you tell me if this is bearish or bullish? Okay, let's look at NASDAQ. Can you tell me if this is bearish or bullish? It's so clear. NASDAQ is clearly bullish. Okay, let's look at gold. Can you tell me if this is bearish or bullish? Anyone? Somebody, please tell me, is gold bearish or bullish? Exactly. We can't really tell, can we? Which is dangerous. It's like we have no clear direction. It's ranging, exactly. It's ranging. So we're going to be extremely careful today on gold. Yesterday we took a loss. I recovered it off stream. And then I also took a W during Asia session. So I am up a lot on the week. So I'm going to be extremely careful this New York session. Maybe save some capital for Asia. Yeah, gold looks horrible. NQ looks like beautiful. Let's see if NQ can retrace though. It hasn't been doing much retracement. Asia, no retracement. In London, no retracement. Hopefully New York can retrace and then we get a late move during the day. But I'm not shorting anything in NQ. Even if we sweep London highs and displace lower, I'm not shorting that. Yeah, NQ will dump New York open and I'm not shorting that. We're going to wait. This is the 50% mark of this entire leg. NQ to kind of dump and sweep out maybe this low, this low. I low-key don't want it to come all the way down here, but even if it does, as long as NQ hasn't taken out these highs here. These are its objective. It'll either take this today or during Asia session. But if today we can save capital and be smart, I'll trade Asia session. Because Asia session, if New York consolidates, Asia session will do the move. No questions asked. Is gold bullish or bearish? You tell me. It looks like it's ranging. Yeah, we had a little bullish breakout, and then what happened right after it dumped in? dumped right back into the range. It looks a lot to me like gold is simply just ranging. Look at this. Up, down, up, maybe back down, who knows. Yeah, it looks confusing because it's ranging. You're not the only one, man. It looks very confusing. Let me even take all this off my chart. Boom. Still looks very confusing to me. In the short term, I guess you could say we have some type of bullish range here. But it still looks mad confusing. Look at the daily. Boom. Doesn't this look worse on the daily? Let's look at NQ on the daily. Boom. This clearly looks bullish. You don't get what I'm trying to say? So it's like I will look for longs on gold, but with a grain of salt. We're already at the 0.5%. If we come back down to sweep out these lows, tap into the 0.618, it's not a horrible long. What would that be? That would be a 15-minute Timmy. On gold, London lows down here. I don't see any equal lows. Are you talking about NQ? No, you're talking about gold. I don't see equal lows with London lows. Oh, unless you're talking about these two. They're not necessarily equal lows. I don't think it might come all the way down there unless we go higher and sweep something else and then continue lower. If we go higher and resweep London highs, we can't take shorts because it's ranging. Each time we came up to this level, what happens? We came up to this level, dumped, this level, dumped. We tried to reach this level, dumped. If we go back up to this level and it doesn't break out and it gives us a short setup, we can take it again. Why? Because we're in a ranging market. If it comes down to this level and it fails to continue going lower, we can take it again. Gold is neither bullish or bearish. It's just ranging. So if you get liquidity sweeps, no breakout. If it breaks out, then obviously don't short it. Like if it does this, don't short it. It's probably just gonna do that. But if it does this, then you can short it to start targeting maybe like, you know, these lows and true day open and all that fun stuff. So we're just being careful and we're watching. Yeah, I want NQ to go lower. Guys, but there's no news today. So today can genuinely be, the only thing we should worry about today is 8:30 market open. Yesterday I took a trade on news, which was so dumb. I apologize for that, guys. You'll have to hold me accountable. Like I took a trade during news and got stopped out. I wasn't even surprised. See, that's why I like trading on stream. You guys can hold me like accountable. Malachi's texting me. My bad, bro. I wasn't ignoring you. My bad, bro. Wasn't ignoring you. Thank you. Hey, Dae, if you want to clean up your chart, you can minimize the indicators up the top. Go to settings, status line, indicators. I don't see indicators. Am I blind? Logo, title, open market status, chart values, bar, changes. Oh, indicators here. Untick inputs and values. Inputs and ooh, thank you. Thank you a lot. Let me save my layout. Boom. I appreciate that, brother. Oh shit, we got 31 concurrent viewers this early. All Discord members too. Yo, peep, I stopped posting my live trading to Instagram. If you're not in the Discord, I don't mess with you like that. The second winner of the Lucid giveaway never reached out to me. I might give his funded account away if he doesn't. Oh, you're just from YouTube, Majin? Oh, welcome. Join the free Discord. We're a nice little tight community. Okay. I have NQ on one side. Yeah, gold is booming. Don't let it fool you, remember. These are the equal highs I told you. Like, yeah, gold is booming. Do this. Do this and look at it. For you to become extremely bullish on gold, it has to break out of these highs here, and it has to continue trading higher. Then we can, like, if gold does this, then we can look for something like this to continue higher. But if gold just pokes its head and does this, then we can look for some shorts to sweep out minimum at least this low to top this 1 hour. You get what I'm trying to say? Don't let this one candle fool you. Stay extremely patient. It is a lot early, so I'm not taking a 1 minute trade today. I'll probably wait for this entire 5 minute to get inversed if I want to short this for extra confirmation. Remember, this is true day open at the bottom too. We could come down and tap true day open as well while sweeping out these lows. It's like there are reasons for gold to go to the downside. Then we have relative almost equal lows here. They're not necessarily equal. Gold has its reasons. If it wants to manipulate higher than lower. Oh, guys, by the way, I searched up non-copyright music, and my shit kept getting copyrighted, bro. My shit deadass kept getting copyrighted. It was bad. I got like 2 flags on my YouTube. They weren't bad. They weren't harmful flags. They weren't harmful flags, but they still flagged me on copyright. Look at the hourly. This is a nice candle flip. So if we're bullish, I want gold to hold up here. Maybe even close like this on the hourly if we're bullish. If we start rejecting it, if we start rejecting from here and this candle flips bearish, more than likely we'll continue lower. So this is the moment of truth. Gold has to break out here or gold has to stall. Remember, we still haven't even swept out this highs on MGC or GC. GC, it's equal highs. Haven't taken it. Look XAU day. Yeah, I'm looking. This is XAU. I'm looking. I've noticed something in my trading that I've been working on recently that I'm trying to fix. That's my entry. For example, let's look at NASDAQ. My entries need work. I'll be completely honest with you. Let's look at NASDAQ. Let's look at this beautiful day on NASDAQ. We predicted this whole move on NASDAQ. When I saw this, literally, what time was this? This was around 8:30. I said, price is manipulating lower. I literally said, if we can get an inversion of this 1 minute, I'll take it, right? We got this inversion, but at the end of the day, this is accumulation. This is manipulation. And now we're distributing. Even if we take out this high, you have to understand, in an AMD, the accumulation high, remember this, guys, in an AMD, the accumulation high is the bare minimum. That's the least it could do. That's not the target. It's like, this is like bare minimum, we're gonna get this. Your targets are London highs, Asia highs, like this is all trendline liquidity, right? So why, even though we didn't get a good fill here like we wanted, even though this high here gets taken, why are we invalidating this whole trade now? We can simply wait for a pullback. Boom. Pull back into this fair value gap. That's also what? This breaker block. I need to learn how to be more patient with my entries. Like, obviously, this is hindsight because the trade worked. But you long it. I'm going to be real. I would probably put my stop loss here. Why? Because there's a fair value gap here and there's a fair value gap here. And then where would you target? The true targets. And it would have hit. TP. So I'm trying to work on, just because we don't get the cleanest inversion, just because we don't get the cleanest candle closures, doesn't mean we can't take it if our narrative is great. That's what I'm working on. Holy equal highs. Imagine if we leave this and just dump. We're definitely longing this. Oh my God, but XAU swept it. What is going on? Yeah, yeah. That accumulation stuff, it's real. When you're trading AMDs, just know the accumulation high is like bare minimum. That's like the bare minimum of where it'll go. As in, if you're trading an AMD and you get a sniper entry, you can hold for like a 1 to 5 because an accumulation high is just the bare minimum. It's like, let me see an example. For example, here on NASDAQ, during London session, what is this? Accumulation. This is all accumulation. We're chopping, even though we're trending higher, this is chop. Then what do? We manipulate lower. Then we start distributing. So if you were trading London session, right? After we're done accumulating and then we manipulate lower, this would have been your entry here, right? Long position. Why? Because we got what? The inversion here on the 5 minute. If you wanted to be safe, you would have waited for this one. So maybe this is your entry. We don't have to cheat. Okay, that's your entry. Cool. Where's your stop loss? Here. This high is the bare minimum. That's the bare minimum. Go break even, take off 1 contract, 2 contracts. It's the bare minimum. This is not where the move is going to end. Because we're saying it had to accumulate, it had to manipulate so it can put in a higher high. So why would we now think this is where that higher high will stop or it'll be like here? No, it'll put in a whole new move. Sometimes you can even predict it by using a fib. Sometimes you can even predict it by using a fib and going like this. And being like, okay, it still has a -1 to hit. It still has a -2, -2.5, whatever. But yeah. So that's a quick little lesson on AMDs. Equal highs above us. If this shorts, let it short. We'll take a long from these lows. I don't like that XAU swept out London lows though. A huge move might be coming. If it decides to short, it could short all the way down here. Huge move might come. So I'll be watching this FEG here. I'll be watching it closely. And also these lows. Don't play at these lows. Because that's a 15-minute Timmy. Yeah, we can. Right now in gold, we're looking for direction. I don't know where it wants to go. I'm going to be real. NASDAQ, it's obvious. I know where it wants to go. Gold, I don't know where it wants to go. So we're waiting for direction. Like gold is going to tell us. He'll tell us. Right now, he hasn't told us anything. He told us that we left equal highs with London high. That's it. Yeah, you are. I think they're just waiting for a signal. There's 34 viewers, but only Shonen's commenting. Shonen, what funded accounts do you trade? Shonen, what funded accounts do you trade? What's going on, Marcus? NQ shorts, dangerous. Like, you can take the shorts lower. I'm looking along it. Let's see if I can do something here. Ah, that'll be difficult. I trade CFD, currently Blue Guardian. I'm trading currently. All right, sounds good. Don't take my word for it. I'll see if I can get you a funded account on Blue Guardian, a free one. Thanks for your support, buddy. Yes, Blue Guardian is really good. Um, if you're trying to trade futures, but you're like from a different country that's most likely restricted with other funded accounts, if you notice that you can't trade with Apex or Lucid, Blue Guardian's your best bet. They're restricted those countries too, but I got them to unrestricted because I have a lot of followers and viewers from other countries, and it's not fair to them that because of where they're from, they don't have the same opportunities. So I got them to unrestricted. I've been trying to get Apex to unrestricted as well, but they're thinking about it. Okay, gold shorts is playing out. We just got this gold 5-minute inverse. No wick candle here on the 5-minute. It could play out. Maybe come up, sweep out these highs, and then continue lower. Remember, gold still has equal highs here, but on XAU, we've already swept out the high. That's why it looks extremely confusing. You don't want to try a 1 micro short? Yeah, you can trade futures on Blue Guardian because I unrestricted it for y'all. 1 micro short on gold. You sent the trade in the Discord that you took on NQ. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's valid down to that fair value gap, right? Yeah. I would only take it down to a fair value gap. Short on gold's playing out. I just don't like it. We didn't sweep here, even though we did on XAU, but let's stay patient. If you want to take this, you can. It's a little bit risky, but it's not horrible. XAU swept London highs. MGC didn't sweep London highs, so that's an SMT with itself. But like I said, I don't have a clear bias on gold because it's just chopping. But it's playing out beautifully. Have you gotten a 1-to-1 already? A 1-to-1's right there, so your TP is about to hit. TP is about to hit if y'all took that. Yeah, it does count as SMT, but where the SMT is happening, it's just dangerous though. It's like we still haven't taken out this high here on the MGC. It's not like it's an SMT in an hourly gap or something. It's an SMT at equal highs. That's why I'm still not taking no shorts on this. I want all this gone. This is equal highs with London highs and also equal highs with Friday's New York high? I don't know, or previous day high for Friday, some shit like that. If you're in this, please just go break even now, because your 1-to-1's about to hit. But yeah. Hit TP1 on shorts for NQ. Yep. First tap into the 15-minute. That's great. I actually want your trade to go a lot lower because we have low, 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 low. This is the only low that gave us a sweep. The only low. So there's no sweep. High, low, higher high, sweep, and then we continue. So this is the only low that's semi-protected. So I want us to come and start low-key sweeping out some lows on your NASDAQ short trade. Boom. And that's break even on your gold short. What's the plan for NASDAQ? Definitely longs. Definitely longs after a significant retracement. I want it to retrace a little bit more. Hopefully New York opens and then it continues retracing instead of pumping. But then again, it's NASDAQ. Hopefully it can retrace a bit. All the way into this 1 hour? I doubt it. We're about to create a new 1 hour here. We can use that. Could get my long push here. I don't want it here. I don't want it here at all. Hell no, I don't want it here. Boom, TP1 on NASDAQ just hit. I mean on gold just hit. And it never stopped you at break even. If you took it, you would have been good. Boom, TP1 just hit. You passed your account. What did you take? The gold shorts? You took these gold shorts? If you took the gold shorts, congrats. The setup wasn't horrible. Let's see if you can get a feel of this entire 5 minute. Good shit. Good shit. It wasn't horrible. Trade wasn't horrible at all. We might be getting a 15-minute Timmy, guys. That might be our trade for gold. It might short all the way down here. You took the gold shorts? That's great. Good job. Good shit. Good shit. What the fuck wrong happened to my screen? $3 minutes, also about to inverse. This is that no wick candle I talked about. It's gonna get there because it's right at Asia session high as well. If it wants to bounce higher, it'll probably do it from either here or even here. I want NQ to keep shorting, bro. I don't care about none of this bull flag, whatever. I need a much better retracement than this. Down to 50%, but what about this? It's hit like reverse. This is like the 0.38. I just don't have it on my fib. So it did hit the 0.38. $0.382. No, it didn't even hit that. There we go, NQ. Go lower for me. Boom, stopped out if you took longs. Damn, gold is really printing. Did we just, was this a valid setup that we missed? Because gold is really printing. Off of equal highs? That's crazy. Maybe I should have tried it out, tested it out a bit. It is in a range and we reached the top of the range. So it shorted, which is what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I didn't take it. It looks like it was a little valid. And then if this 5-minute inverses, I don't want to take it either because then the stop loss is too wide. You're getting in here. It's like your stop loss is OD. So that's just something we're going to skip. If we can get a sweep of these lows, I'll be looking to ride it back to the upside. And because then that'll be a tap into a 1-hour FEG and a 1-hour IFEG. Why didn't I take it? Because I didn't take it because it left equal highs here. It left equal highs here. But if you're new to the stream, one thing gold does is that this is MGC, right? If you take a look at XAU USD, the CFD pair, gold sometimes will create SMTs like this with itself. So on XAU USD, it took out London session highs. But on MGC, we didn't take out London session highs. So sometimes the move might still be valid. Like right now, it's still valid, even though we didn't sweep it on MGC, but on XAU, we did sweep it. So I was a little bit iffy. But it's okay. We'll find something. Boom, back into this 15-minute. I really think it's coming for these lows. So whoever is holding, you can hold to at least these lows. It might give you a retracement here though, but I think it's coming for these lows. Oh my gosh, NASDAQ. Yes, then we can long it from there. Good job, good job, good job on the gold shorts, guys. Great job, great job. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good job, guys. Good job, good job. Oh my goodness, silver is so much clearer. Oh my goodness, on silver you can clearly tell that we're bullish. Oh my goodness, so much clearer. And if silver is bullish, gold is bullish. So much clearer on silver. So much clearer. Okay, the reason silver is short is because we took out this intermediate high. Okay, we're going to use silver to help us determine where gold is going. Because I can't trade silver. Like, oh, it's not even bad. Look, silver's about to top London highs. Yeah, I think gold will long from these lows. We'll try it. We'll try it. I'm playing with profits today. I'm in, after my Asia session trade, full TP here. We literally caught longs all the way from down here. I ended up closing our true day open though. But my target was London highs, which we ended up reaching. But I wanted to go to bed. So I ended up closing our true day open. So we caught a 1 to 2. I completely forgot I was even in this trade. That's the power of set and forget. During New York session, we're worried about going break even, all that fun stuff. I forgot I was even in this trade during Asia last night. I opened my charts and saw a floating position. Said, "Oh shit, no stop loss, no what's it called? Take profit." Do you know how dangerous that could have gone? Bro, what's up with these equal lows though? I don't like it. Why are we leaving equal lows? Hell no. NQ 5-minute inverse. I'm skipping out on that, Marcus. I'll be real. I just don't see what you see. Could definitely work, but this is such a weak retracement. It's not even funny. And it's about to be market open. I don't want to take a trade before market open. Yeah, IFVG on the 5-minute right here. I don't want to take a trade before market open though. But it's like, I want a deeper retracement. I'm sorry, can't lie. We might not get it though. We deadass might not get it, and that's fine. But market open's about to come anyways, so I'm gonna just wait for that. Gold, please don't do this. Why didn't you sweep our level? Oh my goodness, we swept it on GC. Bro, what is gold doing? We swept it on GC. If it wants to go, it's valid. So we're getting a similar setup to what we got up here. We're getting it down here. We might take this one. Yeah, it's what it did earlier and it played out. So we might take this one. But it might come back and just give us a proper sweep. But we'll wait. Once this 3-minute up here gets inversed, if it's still like this, we'll take it. Well, based off this rejection, it might come back and give us a proper sweep. Yeah, low risk on it for sure. Low risk, low risk. I feel good this morning. Staying patient. I like my read. I like my read. And I don't feel FOMO. Like this trade can play out. I don't feel no type of FOMO. Because of market open. I've been wrecked a lot by this market open. How many minutes left to market open? 20 minutes to market open. This shit might hit TP1 and then break even for all we know. Like if you got in here, stop loss here. Let's say you want to break even here. Break even is so close to your, like you can't even TP1 here because that's not even a 1-to-1 at London highs. If I did take this trade, I would actually hold it all the way up here. But then market open will come. Maybe your trade is up here. Market open will come. Dump. Stop you out maybe at break even stop loss, who knows, and then continue ripping higher. But best believe NQ is bullish. 100% I think NQ is bullish. It's just a matter of when. Or market open could come and it'll just pump. Who knows? But NQ is bullish, guys. NQ is bullish. Look at gold. If the 5-minute inverses, we'll try it. Low risk. It worked here. It might work here. We can try it. Extreme low risk. Yep, there's almost a 1-to-2. Extreme low risk if we don't get the sweep. But hopefully we dip a little deeper because remember, I still want this 1 hour. But on GC, we got it. On GC, we got that 1 hour. Hold on, can I low-key take this trade on GC? Do I have enough? Yeah, hell no. Remember though, and during this trade, gold didn't hesitate to inverse. So we should get similar reactions. We shouldn't really be hesitating right now. This is why you always have all the gold on your screen. Like I don't trade GC or XAU, but I still look at them. Look at GC, perfect tap into this 1 hour. Have a nice solid pin bar. It looks good. It looks good. If we test out the first longs and it fails, we'll low-key try it again. I don't mind. What's NQ doing? Is it winning? Yeah, NQ's winning. Okay, let's say you went break even. I truly think you're going to get stopped out if you went break even here. That means you didn't go break even and you're holding after a sweep and market opens about to come. But if you went break even, it's going to cook you. Give me a cleaner sweep gold and I'll be a lot more confident in this. If I can get a cleaner sweep. If you give me a sweep, I'll be a lot more confident. If not, I'm still going to try you out. I'll be real. I'm still going to test you out. This is a no-wick candle. Hopefully it doesn't print all the way, then it's dangerous. Come on, put in a bottom wick, at least. Gold usually likes to go back and fill them. You don't like volume on gold? Yeah, it's a slight little consolidation. Volume's been looking good. Look at this. Volume, volume. Now we're just consolidating. Maybe this, and then more volume. There's a bottom wick. There's a bottom wick. Dig into this 1 hour for me, gold. Come on. No, you want to. Eight minutes to market open. Or no. 12 minutes to market open. Accumulation. Accumulation here. Look where all the bodies are closing. Look, all the bodies, look where they're closing. Notice these things. Now if we get a body that comes down and closes all the way over here, we can take the distribution back to the upside. So we're accumulating. Can we manipulate? If it does an accumulation on the 1 minute, I might just take it on the 1 minute. Chop, chop, chop city. Chopping right before market open. Might get some good volume. Okay, if you took NASDAQ, you haven't been stopped out yet at break even. But that's a 5-minute FEG. I think it does stop you out. See, I know it. It's like right by market open. It's not just gonna win. It's gonna consolidate a bit, retrace a bit, let market open come. It'll either manipulate or it'll just pump. But if this can manipulate and re-sweep and then give us a long entry, I'll take that too. Oh, okay. Never mind. It's pumping. Yeah, okay. Oh, so is gold. Hey guys, can y'all check if Trump said something really quick? Did Trump tweet? Anybody know if Trump tweeted? This looks like AMD. Anybody know if Trump tweeted? Nah, be for real. Did Trump tweet? Because you're influencing my trade right now. No, he didn't tweet. So then this is just a pump. Okay, gold, can we get a retracement, please? Please? Please, gold? Please, gold? Why do we keep missing these entries, bro? Trump didn't tweet, so it's just dry doing this. This is so dry. Keep missing our entries. I don't see anything. They said they didn't see anything. Gold, you're so dry, bro. It's okay. think we're still gonna get something. No wick candle on the 5-minute. It's gonna come back. Okay, is this a breakout? This would have been the fastest TP of all time. The fastest TP of all time. What's the announcement about, please? Tell me. What's the announcement about? Anybody? Straight up from Moose? As in, what did he say? Like, was this a good thing or a bad thing? If we get a short setup, I'm gonna short this. I'll be so honest. No cap. No wick candle. Equal lows again here. I'm gonna short it. Accumulation, manipulation higher to distribute lower. I'll short it. Now my stop loss is a little wide. Okay, I do want my stop loss like here, but I've learned my lesson so much trading gold. Now your stop loss is best left at the highs. I think this is AMD. Like, look at the rejection. So quick. Let's see. This FVG won't get inversed if it isn't AMD. I'm sure there was a 30-second inversion somewhere in here. Market's about to open in 30 minutes. In 3 minutes. This should inverse pretty easily. Yeah, no inversion. What the fuck is NQ doing? There's that stop out at break even I talked about. Hey, let's stay on gold. Yeah, it shouldn't bounce like this. But let's see though. Let's genuinely see. Remember, this is a no wick candle and gold is in a range. Gold is in a range. I want to see if this candle can flip. I'm gonna get our inversion soon. No inversion. No inversion yet. No inversion yet. Let's see how it respects this 1 minute here. We're trading the 1 minute time frame, so we have to be careful. That thing can come all the way back up here to take out these highs. Exactly. Exactly. So we have to be careful. We filled this FEG, so if it comes back down here, it's probably just shorting. NQ is flying. Yeah, we're not worried about NQ. Like, you can't even catch an entry in this. Who's taking this shit? I hope gold doesn't fly too. I want to see a little short. Oh shit, my battery is low. I hope gold isn't bullish, bro. I really hope gold isn't bullish. Gold, are you bullish? If gold is bullish, guys, we would still be printing from this trade. Okay, let's wait and see. NQ full TP, good shit. We didn't skip this, we just missed it. Like, my 3 minute, it didn't come back into my zone. I'm telling you, if we stay patient, it'll give us something. I'm telling you right now. NQ is fucking gone. Like, it's just gone. Marcus, you held that trade through market open? Dangerous. Jesus Christ. I'm still willing to try out some shorts on gold. If we get it. I could be completely wrong here, but I'm still willing to try it out. Down to our 1 hour FVG. If we get it, only if we get it. If not, and this thing is bullish, we'll find a continuation model to the upside. So we're still gonna catch something today, guys, trust me. Trust me. What's NQ doing? I wouldn't short NQ. Yeah, I did. We've missed 2 entries today. Two off of bullshit gold is doing. Yeah, gold is, I don't think gold wants to sell, guys. I'm gonna be real. Gold, this looks bullish. I don't think gold wants to sell. Gold isn't selling. This is bullish PA. This is bullish. Another sweep. This is bullish. Or maybe it's just taking out pre-market highs. There's a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Perfect. We could use that. We just tapped it. We tapped it on GC, but not on MGC. Okay, let me get out of tunnel vision. What's really going on here? Yeah, we have a sweep of these lows. We have bullish structure to the upside. There's a 4-hour FVG here. Are these equal highs above us? Let's get out of tunnel vision and let's reanalyze gold. XAU does have a sweep. Tap. Let's see how gold reacts. Yeah, but there's volume. I think we can get something here. Equal lows down below us on gold. If we got a short setup, we can take it. Five-minute no-wick candle. If we got a short setup, it's not horrible. 5-minute FVG here. Yeah, on MGC we haven't tapped it, but on GC we've tapped this 4-hour. Yeah, I'm looking at XAU. I got you. Let's see if gold wants to short. Let's see if gold wants to short. If gold wants to short, we'll take it down to these equal lows. Do you want to short, buddy? I'm not going to miss this one, I promise you that. $35, 30 seconds to show me something, gold. Can we get a 3-minute CISD at least? We got a 3-minute CISD. 5-minute hasn't closed though, below. But we got a 3-minute CISD. I might get in lighter here. Yeah, if this candle flips here, I'll get in light. And then if we get a 5-minute closure, I'll add the rest of my position. So we have a 3-minute CISD here. I want to see if it holds. If it holds, I'm willing to take a small light position right now. I'm gonna put a sell stop right here. So it's gonna be on this candle flip. I'll get in super light. And then if we can get a 5-minute closure below here, I'll add the rest of my position. So we can just manage risk. We're not in anything yet. We're not in anything yet. We're about to be. I think this candle's about to flip. Okay. I'm in with three contracts. If a 5-minute can close above, if we can close below this 5-minute FVG, that's why I only put 3 contracts. Because this 5-minute FVG can take price higher. So I only went with 3 contracts. I'm risking about $261. If we can get a nice 5-minute closure here, then I'll add the rest of my position. If not, I'll just take a tiny loss. So I'm in light, guys. Light. I'm in light. So I'm in 3 contracts right now. I want to add 2 more. I'm risking $260. If we can get a 5-minute closure, we'll put in the rest. Add 2 more contracts. Very dangerous entry. But we have a 3-minute CISD. So I want to see if it holds for us. If not, we'll take the stop out. We're in very light. This is barely a stop out for me. I'm in deep profit from Asia session and New York session last week. Okay, we're paying for the information right now. This is fine. This is fine. This can stop us out. That's fine. Holy edge. Okay, boom. Okay, stopped out. That's fine. Literally the tiniest risk of all time. We'll try it again. This is a deeper push into this 4 hour. If we get another move back to the downside, we'll try it again. Are we bullish, gold? If we're bullish, tell me. We're bullish, gold? If we're bullish, tell me. Are we bullish, gold? Tell me. Can't be bullish when NASDAQ is bullish as well. Come on, dump, baby girl. All these freaking no-wick candles. Come on, dump, baby girl. We're gonna catch you, I promise. We're gonna catch you. We paid for information the first time. Now I want to see what gold would do now. Nine minutes to this 1 hour close. I don't even want it to close like this. I'll be so honest. There we go. There we go. Come on. 5 minutes CISD here. We paid for information on the first one. I hope nobody news in 9 minutes. Oh, it's orange folder news. Hey guys, watch this for me. Watch this for me. I'll be back. Scream if it's dumping. Equal lows below. I really want that gold. But I know you don't care what I want. Come on, don't close bullish on this. Don't close bullish on this. Let NASDAQ keep ripping up. You're supposed to be going down. There we go. Good girl. Good girl, gold. That is a good girl. Hey, look at what did I tell y'all about that them no wicks candle? It'll grab it, hopefully. But it should grab it. No wick candles. Price action hates those. This was a CISD entry. That's why I was willing to try it. And I know we didn't tap this 4 hour, but on GC we had tapped the 4 hour. It was barely though. But now we got a deeper push into this 4 hour. So if we want to reverse, it would do it now. If it starts trading higher up here, then the trade's cooked. If it starts trading higher, this trade's cooked. Yeah, we're waiting for a 5-minute inverse. But I've been playing around with some new entry models. You just saw me take one here. I got cooked. But that's why I went lighter risk, because it's not my original entry model. But this one right here, this bad boy here is... You took it on an eval? Good. Good. It was definitely just a risky play. This is the short here. I think we get it. There's that no wick candle. It just took it out. Boom. Come on, gold. I want this to flip gold. All right. Let's start managing this. It's bouncing off London lows right now. It's rejecting off London lows right now. If we get a 5-minute inverse, I'll go on with full size. And then if we get stopped out, that'll be my loss for the day. And I'll trade Asia session, because Asia session has been treating us a lot better. Asia session, you wouldn't get all this. It'll just flush down. Oh shit, I deleted my YouTube chat. Three-minute IFVG, where? I don't see it. Oh, on XAU, yeah. I just don't want this shit to dump without us, gold. 2-minute IFVG, perfection. No, it's dumping. Come on, give us a good entry. Don't do that running without us bullshit. Don't do that running without us bullshit. If it's trying to run without us, I'll get enough momentum. If it starts dumping and it's like around here, I'll just pull the trigger. If you're taking the 2-minute entry, you're already in this, but just know that was a risky entry. It was very similar to the entry I took over here. 49 seconds gold. What you gonna do? Get in with a sell stop there. 9 o'clock candle just hit. I get in with a sell stop right there. So if this candle flips, it'll tag us in. Another risky entry. But this would be my last trade if it manipulates us. Let's see. Will you be nice to us, gold? Boom, perfect. It didn't close above the 1 hour. I like that a lot. Are you gonna be nice to us? And have this 5-minute candle flip? There we go. No wick candle here. So 1 to 1.5. That's if it gives it to us. There's that 1-minute high. That's a good rejection. If it starts trading bullish, then we don't have a trade today, bro. Because NQ is gone. I just hope it's not a choppy day for gold. Please don't be choppy. Oh my goodness, is this shit bullish, bro? Come on, you can't be. It's 9 o'clock. Where are you going? Where are you going, gold? Look at all these wicks. Where are you going, bro? Give me an entry, please. Two-minute IFEG just got inverse back to the upside. It's not looking too great for gold. Shorting. Shorts on gold is looking worser and worser, even though we're in a 4-hour FEG. 4-hour FEG. Equal lows below us. Failed to close above this high. Gold's playing with us. Excuse me. Gold's playing with us. I'm watching XAU. A rejection from here would be very nice. Another 1-minute sweep up here. I'm about to get triggered in soon. This is a risky entry because I'm not waiting for the close, but I'm willing to still take it though. So I have a stop order here. This looks like it's not even gonna give it to us. I don't know why it keeps rejecting. We're in a 4-hour gap dump, nigga. Equal lows below us. Dump. Like, I really don't know how gold isn't dumping. NQ is ripping. really do not know how gold isn't dumping. I really don't get it, gold. I don't get you at all, gold. What's silver doing? Yeah, silver's preparing to dump. Silver gave a 5-minute inverse to the downside. Silver wants to dump. Oh, y'all can't even see that screen. Silver right here. Silver gave a 5-minute to the downside. Retested it, dumped. It's coming back, it's retesting it. Silver's preparing to like dump. So it's just gold. We're just waiting on gold. Is this going to become some type of chop fest? What's the correlation of DXY with gold? If DXY is dumping, that means NQ should be pumping, which means gold should also be dumping, no? When DXY dumps, doesn't gold dump? There's 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I really don't want it to close like that. But think about it. Chops break out. It's not like we're in a position here. We're waiting for it to break out down here. This was also a little bit of a chop and then it broke out. Chops usually like break out. It's like if you're trying to take some type of entry in here or something like that, then yeah, you're trading chop. But we're waiting for a breakout down here. But we might not get it. I think today's supposed to be a no trade day or a small loss day or whatever. Because I did try an entry I've been working on here. And it failed. A 3-minute CISD here failed. Yeah, bias did look a little confusing today. Once I'm triggered into this trade, I'm gonna hop off stream, guys. I'll be honest. It's getting late. I'm still willing to take these shorts. Oh, gold. I really don't want this 15-minute closing like this. This is now a valid breakout. If the 15-minute closes like this, the next 15-minute has to engulf it for sure for this trade to still be valid. It looks like the 15-minute is going to close like this unless we get a giant 1-minute candle. Okay. It's looking like we might get a no trade. Let's still be patient though. We might get a later move in the day. If not, we'll trade Asia session. We'll trade Asia session. We skipped this trade because we're being respectable. We missed this trade because it was a huge pump. I think Trump said something. And then this trade is chopping. This trade's chopping around. So 15-minute close bullish. Yeah, 15-minute close a little bit bullish here. I would like to see an engulfing candle for this trade to still be valid. If we start trading higher, then the trade's invalid. We're still in a 4-hour FEG. That's the only thing. That's the only reason I'm still willing to take this. We are still in a 4-hour FEG. Remember what I said, we will need a 15-minute engulfing candle to take this. We're about to get that. Look, volume. We're expecting a breakout. If gold wants to go higher, it should only sweep this low, and it won't take this one. This low's already filled this fair value gap. There's no reason to revisit it. I know some of y'all want a Timmy out of this. I'm willing to take a loss on this, going for shorts. But once I get tagged in, I'm getting off the charts. It's time to go. Equal lows target right here. Maybe break even here. I'm about to get tagged in pretty soon. That's that sweep. If it wants to go higher, it'll bounce now. If it continues dropping, then we'll get our entry. And there's a minute 36 seconds to the 5-minute closes. So if this candle's the one that closes underneath it, then it's valid. Look how the 3 minutes reacting. Can we get a 3-minute candle flip, please? 56 seconds. Remember what I said about this 15-minute candle engulfing? The only way it'll be valid. This 15-minute candle's engulfing. Ten, 9, 8, 7. Come on, give a good push. 3, 2, 1. No push. I'm in there. Facing instant drawdown, but I'm in. I'm in that. Can I get a 2-minute closure? All right, boys. This is my trade for the day. I'll let y'all know. It inversed on XAU. This is my trade for the day. I'll let y'all boys know how it goes. If I get stopped out or if I lose, well, y'all will see. This is where my stop loss is. But I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready for the gym. All right, guys? Today was pretty much a slow day. But we'll see how this trade goes. I'm pretty confident in it. Reacting off of a 4-hour. Equal lows down here below us. Maybe break even here. It depends on your risk tolerance. And 1-hour FEG down below us too. That gold might want to tap. While also this 1 hour never closed above these highs, which is also a good sign. So I'm a catch y'all boys, all right? Let's see how this trade plays out. Peace. Oh, and if you're still waiting, maybe wait for actually confirmed 5-minute closure so you can save yourself an unnecessary loss. I'm willing to take this loss. I'll trade Asia session regardless of if I win or lose. I don't know if I'll stream it yet. I'll let y'all boys know. But all right, brothers. Peace.